Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am here with my sister Samantha. Today we are going to be doing a video, like a chit chat Q&A, and then I'm going to be doing her makeup. So if you haven't already, make sure that you subscribe, and if you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and click the notification bell so you get all future uploads. Alrighty, so Samantha has already cleaned her face. And she's also put some Sukin moisturizer on her face, so it's all ready to go. I mentioned that in my last video as my favorite skincare to use. We are going to get started with the questions, so let's get into it.
Who is the oldest slash youngest?
I am the eldest. I am 25 and we have four kids in the family, and Samantha is...
I'm 13.
13.
I'm the youngest. What do you like and hate about your siblings? You first.
Why me first?
I don't know, because I can't really. Well, my brother, I've got two brothers. The one who's 2 years older than me, he just annoys me so much.
So my younger brother, who is 15, he is very loud, very opinionated, which is good. And then my other brother, who is 20. He's very quiet, very timid. I don't like that he plays games all the time. I feel like he should leave the room. And then Samantha's very loud and outspoken, which is also good, but very annoying. And then me, I'm just like the perfect child that my parents had. Yeah.
What do you and your siblings have in common? Well, we're related, of course.
We're both water signs, so Samantha is Scorpio and I'm Cancer. And we're both very stubborn.
Oh my god, yes we are. That is very true. Describe each other in 3 words. Loud.
Are you describing me?
No, me.
You have to describe me.
Okay, so my sister, she's like sometimes uptight. You are.
What does that even mean?
It means like you always think that you are the prettiest one in every...
That's like a joke. Like I constantly joke that I'm like the prettiest sibling. Like I don't go out in public and be like, guys, I'm a model. Step aside.
You do. You say it to all our friends. You're like, I'm the hottest sibling.
To people that I know. I don't go up to people and be like, excuse me. So 3 like real.
Like... Of course, she's a mum, so she's very protective over sibling, us and Austin, of course.
So what's the question?
It says describe each other in 3 words.
Okay, so protective.
Protective. Funny. I guess just a sibling. The sister.
So I'm protective, funny, and I'm a role model.
Yep, role model, yeah.
Okay, 3 words to describe you. You're loud. Tenacious.
Oh my god.
But also, I guess you're nice.
Oh my god. Who reads more? Me.
I like to read, but it just has to be like on a device. So I have a, what do you call it?
Tablet, phone.
What do you call it? I have a Kindle, but I don't use it. I should use it, but I read social media.
I read either storybooks to my nephew, Austin, or I read chapter books. So I've read Harry Potter, I read like The Maze Runner. Who is the most talented?
Me. 1, I have a YouTube channel. 2, I'm doing your makeup. 3, I'm me. I think we're equally as talented. Sam is still quite young, so she hasn't found her niche.
I'm good at instruments and singing and stuff.
I mean, I guess that's okay.
I'm better at singing than you.
We both like music, we both like to sing, but I'm like shy, I'm scared to sing.
Oh,
but
same.
Sam will do like opera in the shopping centre.
I do sometimes, I do. Wait, no. It's what is your brother slash sister really bad at? Singing.
What is your brother slash sister really bad at? Sam is really bad at listening and cleaning her room.
You're really bad at singing and like you know.
Just being me.
Yes, being you.
Thank you.
Who takes longer to get ready?
That would be me. But that's because Sam doesn't have a boyfriend yet. Once she has a boyfriend, she'll probably get into like the makeup and stuff.
Probably.
So I just realized that Sam kept like hunching down, so we've just moved. You're welcome. Now you can see her.
No, they could see me. What's a weird habit of yours? Well, these kids at school, I seriously cannot. I try as hard as I can to ignore them, but I can't. That's my habit. I just have the best comebacks. I have that habit.
So you like to annoy everyone else?
Well, they annoy me, so I'm that person.
Wait, I have to answer that.
Yeah.
What's an annoying thing about me?
What's a weird habit of yours? What's a weird habit?
I have OCD, so I have to touch things twice. Like if I turn the light on or off, I have to like touch it twice.
Yeah, I changed my mind. That's me. Like I have OCD. So please tell us your favorite moment from your childhood.
I remember a lot of my memories when I was younger, when I was in Melbourne. I just remember having lots of sleepovers with my friends. I think it was like grade 2 and 3. They're probably my favorite memories.
My favorite memories is like when we used to go out all the time. Like we used to go for barbecues. We used to like go to parks and stuff.
Yeah.
Adventure parks.
Look at me.
Walks and stuff. Okay, do you share secrets with each other?
Yeah. The last time I tried to share a secret with you, you literally told Mum. She literally told Mum.
She looked on my phone.
Well, Mum needs to stop being so rude.
Well, mums are mums. Do you have one favorite YouTuber?
Yes.
Yes, I do. I have quite a few.
Who's your favorite YouTuber? That isn't me.
I watch gamers and stuff, so...
Is there a channel?
There's Jacksepticeye, I watch him. He's Irish.
My favorite YouTuber at the moment is Kendall Ray. Also Shane Dawson, but like I think everyone loves Shane Dawson, but Kendall Ray is my favorite at the moment.
Have you secretly wished to be another person?
Yeah, I'd like to be like famous for one day. I'd like to be like Lady Gaga or like an actress, like just to know what it's like to be in the Illuminati.
Yeah, I'd like to be someone famous and stuff like that. So which area are you and your siblings the complete opposite? Well, I have Tourette syndrome, so I definitely have like some anger. I have some tics and stuff that I can't really control, you know.
I care
like
about what I look like. Sam doesn't, which is good.
Yeah. Who keeps their room/house cleaner?
Yeah, you should see Samantha's room. It's like an episode of Hoarders. Seriously.
It's just toys and that. I'm a teenager. What are things that you are both bad at?
Are you good at math?
No.
There we go. We both suck at math. Next one.
I hate it. What is the weirdest habit your sibling has? I don't really have one.
I'm just trying to...
I don't really have a weird habit.
When I go to the bathroom, I have to put toilet paper in before I pee. Just because it's like, I don't care if people hear me. It's just, I don't know. I think it stemmed from me caring about what people would hear like in public restrooms. But yeah, it's just a habit that I have now.
What is one thing your sibling might not know about you? You first.
I'm really shy.
Yeah.
I'm not shy with my family, but when I meet people for the first time, I'm so shy that sometimes people think I'm rude or like stuck up because I come across that way.
Yeah, I never knew that.
But like I'm actually so shy.
Oh my god, I never knew that. Cause your sibling could go to any country, which would it be? I want to go to Vanuatu. Or is it a country? Okay. I really want to go to like Canada. where the snow is and stuff, because I've never seen snow, and it would be really nice to see snow for the first time.
I've already been to this country, but like all over Europe. I love Europe. We're going back. I'm really excited to go to Germany again, and we're also going to Canada, which I'm excited for. But I would also love to be able to go to New York and just like be in New York for like 2 weeks.
Yeah, New York.
New York.
Yeah, so definitely like Canada, New York. Who is more pessimistic / optimistic?
Sam's very negative. I'm more positive. Like if something goes wrong, I'll be like, oh, it happened for a reason. But Sam's very negative. I feel like my whole family's that way, apart from me. Also, Declan's very negative.
Oh, yeah. Hopefully Austin doesn't grow up to be like negative. Hopefully he's happy. Can any of you tell the future?
I'm quite psychic. Like I get vibes from things, and like I'll think something will happen and then it'll happen, but I can't tell the future. I just have like little knickknacks.
Did any one of you see a ghost or something paranormal? Yes.
Yes, I've seen ghosts.
I have seen some paranormal things. Like, so when I was a bit younger, I woke up in my room and the blinds, the roof and the doors and everything were just swinging and everything. And like the room was spinning and I was just standing there. And then my brother Nathan just ran in and he's like, Sam, what's wrong? And I'm like, everything's moving. And he's like, there is nothing moving. I'm like, can you not see it? The blinds are moving. If your sibling could be invisible, where would they go and what would they do? If I was invisible, I would definitely sneak in to like theme parks and stuff. And like if there was a roller coaster with like a seat that no one's sitting in, like, and it just goes up, I'll quickly go in it, just like brace myself. That would be pretty cool. Or like sneaking in like to get some food or something. Yeah. I wouldn't want to steal though. But
okay. I'm about to do your lips, so don't talk.
Okay.
What was the question? What would I do if I was invisible?
Yes. And where would you go?
I would probably like sneak into like Gavin DeGraw's changing room. Or like Chris Pratt or like Chris Evans, and I would just stare at them.
Oh, that's so creepy. Just
you can't talk.
I know. If your siblings got a chance to be locked up with someone, who would they pick and why? I'll definitely pick Austin. I would love to be like trapped with him. Just grow up.
Probably it'd be boring to say like Declan or like my best friend, but
or an actor
like Gavin DeGraw, so he could like sing to me and like it's not as boring. Like time will go quicker because I'm enjoying my time in prison. Do you like that lip color? I can.
It's fine actually, yeah. Oh my god, I look beautiful. Yes, honey, yeah.
Alrighty guys, that is our video for today. So this is the end result. A little bit drastic. The lip isn't my favorite color, but that's all I have because that's what I wear. And Sam doesn't really wear makeup, so I wasn't really sure what colors would work on her, but seems okay. Eyebrows on fleek. I would have done her hair, but apparently it's too knotty and she doesn't trust me.
I have curls.
Anyways guys, I hope that you liked this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Make sure that you are subscribed, and I will see you again in my next video. Have a good day wherever you are in this world. Bye.